In this video, I will show you how to fix, can turn on or off real-time protection in Windows 11 or 10. So the first thing you need to do is go to search here. Search for command prompt. So click on it. And then you need to copy what I type in notes. So here, copy this. Right click on it and then click on copy. And then paste it to command prompt. Then click on enter. Then after that, copy the another here. So right click on it. Then click on copy. Then paste it on command prompt. Then click on enter. And then after that, so we need to minimize it. So go to Windows Security again and then you will see the real-time protection. You need to turn it on. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.